Right, put some new batteries in, so we're back again. Here's the bonnet, which unfortunately the hinges are bust on it there, so I'm trying to get hold of some new bonnet hinges, but they're like rocking horse shit, to be honest with you. There's the back seats, which have actually been painted blue. There's the engine bay. The engine is out, it's over there. It is in the green box. There's the other door, and this is the engine bay. So I've been dismantling this and everything, and the problem that I have at the moment is removing this wing, because I took a section off the vehicle yesterday, which I've lost now. What is it? Which was basically over here. There was an aluminium shuttering piece that came over here, round there and round here. When I took that off, this was revealed. So this is all pretty rotted. As you can see, there's supposed to be some metal here, as here. So this beam runs along here, through there, and ends up underneath the front wing. Don't know whether you can see it in there, that U piece in there. So I've got to take the front wing off, and the front wing is held on by bolts here, and also on some bolts in here and along here, there. So I've got to take, and also there's some bolts in here. There's one about there, there's one about there, and there's one about there, and they're pretty hard to get to because they're inside the body there. They're inside up there somewhere. There's the windscreen wiper motor, and in there you can see the fuel tank. So I'm going to attempt to take the front wheel off next. I've already taken the door off, and this is a bit loose now, so that's what I'm up to. So